Hello viewers, I am Ravi Shankar, writing English poetry under the pseudonym Rash. I live in Kerala. My four collections of poetry have been published so far. Three poems of mine have already been read out in the last 3 weeks. This is a fourth poem in that series. The poem is titled A Book Surgeon's Workbook. Hi, I am Ravi Shankar, reading the poem A Bibliosurgeon's Workbook. I am a book surgeon. I took up bibliopathy when my dad, who was a Marxist book lover, died of an unidentified illness. I opened up his body to find Lenin's treatise, Left-wing communism and infantile disorder, in his right ventricle. Since then, I have visited many libraries and treated many men and books. Men who want to be books and books who want to be men. Some books need plastic surgery for a total makeover. I grafted Bolana pages to Indian poetry skills, Marquez to Bengali cookbooks, Neruda to Bhojpuri novels, Baudelaire to Saral Hindi translations, Shakespeare to Panchadandram fables, Mao to Amar Chitragatha. I saved many Indian marriages by inserting Mastaram into Hanuman Chalisa. I am a Dariaganj Messiah. I am now in a high security press where new 2000 rupee notes are getting printed with a secret mission to interpolate Golwalkar into Ambedkar. Thanks.